It was good, man. I just wanted to get a little footage of this before I took it out, man. I put it in there a couple of years ago. I mean, it's supposed to be, I don't know, I didn't have room to do anything. I had bought some 10s, didn't like how it sounded, so I bought some 12s. Vice versa, didn't like how it sounded, so I put them in there together. Still don't like how it sounded, but I just ain't felt like taking it out. But I just wanted some footage before I took it out. I unhooked them to replace them, so I can't even cut it on, but it wouldn't matter no way. You know what I'm saying? You wouldn't be able to tell with no video what it sounded like anyway. And I know you're saying, oh, look at all them wires and crap, but you know, it's behind the seat, so you can't even tell. Ain't nobody gonna see it no way. But this is what I'm going with now. And I know this ain't the box that they supposed to go in, but I'm just trying to break them in a little bit. But yeah, see, they ain't hooked up, but it's all good. You know, my whole thing was being able to get to the spare tire and the battery without putting a big old box in there, but I'm gonna have to do it anyway, so. Oh well, but that's that. You know what I'm saying? Once I get it all together, I'll probably do another video.